to have a forum like this, forum for social work. We can, again, I think we can connect in a small area, that would be easier, because organizing a big one is always a time consuming and also expensive, not easy. But courtesy good that the Army given us Sanstha JAS has given us this opportunity. We are all here enjoying the hospitality of the college and the staff, and also we have able to brainstorm so many points. Okay? I think ultimately what it boils down to, that first of all, we must be aware about our government scheme in the area that we are operating. I think let block it in a different section. Then you do not have burden. Once you are fully aware about the schemes operating whether Government of India or the state level, that will be, we should be fully aware. Then हम लोग हमारा एक नेटवर्किंग जो है वो लोकल सोशल वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट से हमको बढ़ाना पड़ेगा एवरी आई थिंक वी हैव टू आवर इंटरेक्शन नेटवर्किंग से भी ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि हमारा इंटरेक्शन अगर रोज वो आदमी हफ्ते में एक बार तो कम से कम आपको देखेगा तो उसको लगे हाँ भैया चलो आ जाओ बैठो चाहे देन यू कैन इंटरेक्ट एंड टॉक ऑन ए फ्रेंडली मूड. अदरवाइज क्या होता है ऑफिशियल मोड में वो काम गवर्नमेंट के नॉट इजी टू गेट इट डन. सो वी हैव टू गेट एंड डेवलप रेपो विद द गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स knowing about our scheme, and also we should rightly do it. Most importantly मेरे हिसाब से ये जो गवर्नमेंट की जो स्कीम है ना उसके अवेयरनेस सेशन सब जगह पे होना चाहिए. स्टेट लेवल पे होना ही चाहिए, एब्सोल्युटली होना चाहिए, वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. और मेरा एक सजेशन है, एक्चुअली मैंने पहले सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट भी रखा है एंड नाउ आल्सो अगेन आई एम पुटिंग इट हियर दैट वी हैव टू put forward a proposal that so many NGOs are working. So let the state or the center, you have to motivate them to kind of an award or something like some certificate or good work in the respective area. I think this kind of officially it has to be in the scheme, somewhere in the scheme. Today I will tell you, for senior citizens above age of 70, there is a scheme called Vayo Sanman Yojana. Vayo Sanman. It is always done on 1st October of every year because 1st October is International Day of Older People. तो यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग कार्य करते हैं इसमें, तो उन सबको whether you are in a research as an NGO, you are doing awareness work, or you are sports person of excellence in that particular your field, whatever field. If you are excellence in that field, beyond 70, so you are also nationally awarded by Rashtrapati. This is function in organized normally in Delhi, and where Rashtrapati himself or herself gives that award. So I think this kind of thing, I personally feel that together we can come. I like this, and it is also from the beginning I vouch for that. Once we come together, what you can, there is no limit what you can do. So that's why that's capital one we can.
I have one important point to be told here. I just forgot to talk about this before. The thing is, together we can. It is definitely possible. I wish there is a humble suggestion. If there is such a scheme where in India, just like how we have an Aadhaar card, if there is a destitute card, because applying for an Aadhaar card is a tedious process. They have to stay in a home location and address is needed or something like that. They have to stay in a location for at least 3 to 4 years. They keep moving from place to place. They are nomads. They cannot stay in one particular place. So, if suppose they get a destitute card, they are just citizens of India, a destitute card is provided, we can try to monitor them from any city. For example, somebody is travelling from Bihar to Tamil Nadu to a city called Coimbatore. The Coimbatore Municipal Corporation can make a note that such and such a destitute has travelled from there to here. So now, let me tell you, what is perks of this destitute card? Let us imagine there are 2 children in that family. It is compulsory to give an education for the children. Wherever you want, you can travel. But kid has to be in a school. The government can monitor. Either you make them study in Bihar or you make them study in Tamil Nadu, but they have to study. Kids are not supposed to beg. So this card will definitely help us to monitor them. Because this is a bottom-up approach. India is a very big country with this much big population. Just like a central government cannot solve everything. It has to be from individual. So a simple municipal corporation can take care of 100 people. It is not a big deal. A city corporation can take care of 1,000 people. A state corporation can take care of 100,000 destitutes. No problem. Let them be from any state, anywhere from India, but this destitute card will make their children learn. Study. They cannot simply say child is studying there, here, and they will make them give pens to beg. Kids will be carrying pens and other small steps and they give and beg. So if that becomes a crime, then children will be cut off from this chain of begging. So that their next generation will automatically get education and this begging will become a history in future. So if at all there is any possibility, if a forum is going to be formed, a destitute card monitoring the children of minimal age and compulsory education scheme is already there. As I told, schemes are there, but it is not reaching the common people and it is our responsibility to take it to everyone. So, if there is a possibility.
Okay, now we are reaching to the end of the session. So I just want to share the information I have recently received. Is that I talked about that global multi-dimensional poverty index. So they have prepared a report, okay, and they have said that number of people in India dropped by 450 million over 15 years in the multi-dimensional poverty index. You can see the collective effect of all of us working together, that Indian multi-dimensional poverty level has come down by 415 million people, that is 41.5 crore over 15 years, over a period of 15 years. And among that, the fastest drop of almost 97 million is among the children. Among the children, 21.8% official number. But ये बात क्योंकि हमको भी थोड़ा मोटिवेशन होना से हम यहाँ पर आकर बात कर रहे हैं. What is the ultimate impact? Because यहाँ पर एक्चुअली क्या ऐसे कामों का ना जो मैट्रिक्स है वो बड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है. हमारे इनपुट इसी तरह जाना चाहिए कि राइट पर्सन पे. मैंने आई शोड यू दैट एसडीजी, देयर इज एसडीजी रिपोर्ट. एवरी कंट्री जो सोशल डेवलपमेंट सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट जो गोल है उसका this is only for 2030. Up to 2030 all these things has to happen. लेकिन कहाँ क्या हो रहा है किसी को पता नहीं. तो गवर्नमेंट, every individual government is assigned to publish a report annually. So our government has also given a huge report. They have 200 pages report in it. Okay. Similarly, there is a पेपर अवेलेबल ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 180 पेजेस का. तो उसमें हमारे जितने भी स्कीम्स है गवर्नमेंट में, I think you can either buy or download, and then only find out where you are connected and which are beneficial to us. So once we get knowledge of that, फिर हम लोग सब जगह पे स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your participation, live participation. I would say thank you very much. To you, special thanks. Keeping it alive. I think we have to some, this is only gives the opportunity to express.